Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing. So in today's video, we are going to stuff our sinking funds as well as our business bills. Also in this video, I am going to complete my self-care challenge, and then I'll do a separate video to show you guys where I'm going to allocate that money to. It'll be within my sinking funds and my 6 months of expenses. So I'm super excited to finish that challenge. We owe $10 to it. And make sure you check out yesterday's video where I did my 6 months of expenses. So like I said in the last video, I'm going to start breaking up videos so you guys can understand a little bit more what cash stuffing is, as well as zero-based budgeting. So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I do have everything written out. This is where the money is going to go in these categories. So I'm stuffing 105 today. Tomorrow's video is going to be where the self-care money is going from the savings challenge. And then on Thursday, we will do just savings challenges. So let's jump right into this. Okay, so we are doing our sinking funds. Okay. Let's just move this over a little bit. Okay, so kids this week is going to get a total of $10. So let's add 10 to this, making it a total now of 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So we have a total of $100 in kids. I don't have a placeholder of 100 right now, but I think the ones that I have in here for $100 is going to get switched over to $200, and the $200 ones are going to get switched over to $300 once I finish that self-care challenge. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so Holiday is going to get a total of $25. So let's do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You know what? Let's just use the 20 and a 5. So now Holiday has a total of 200. So 200 is in the bank. 20, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So $264 in Holiday. And this is basically going to be for Christmas. So my goal is really high for Christmas. Hopefully I get there before time. Back to School is going to get $30. This is actually coming up next month. So you will see these funds go lower once I go school shopping and stuff. I did start already. So I went to Target, and Target has like a Cat and Jack policy where you can return Cat and Jack clothes. So we did do that. The girls had some old jeans like from a year. From the beginning of the school year last year. I returned them and I got back like $150. So I was able to get one of their school supplies, like the supplies that they need for school. And then as far as my middle schooler, I have to wait for the first day because they do get different teachers. And that's when I'll get the list, which is like a bummer because I like to be always like on time with stuff. But let's see what happens, and let's see what I can get with the rest of those gift cards. So this will be probably towards clothes. And also my 20-year-old, she is starting nursing school and I have to get her a laptop. So I don't know if it's going to come out of back to school, or her birthday is this weekend. So I don't know if it's going to come out of birthday. So my goal is to keep on saving, but if I have to tap in, I'll tap in. Okay, so back to school is going to get a total of $30. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. Let me know down below if you guys already went school shopping. And also, if you do buy Cat and Jack products from Target, make sure you call your store to see like what's their policy on it, because a lot of Targets are different. But it's super cool because the app has all of your receipts if you've saved everything to your app. And it's just an easy return. Once you click on the wallet in the app, they click the barcode and everything should be there. Okay, so for back to school, I added 30. So we have 100, 1, 2, 3, that's 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have a total of $200 in back to school. I don't have a 200 placeholder, but like I said, the ones that have 200, will get a 300 once I'm finished the self-care challenge. So birthdays is going to get $20. So I might be keeping this money in here, or I might be taking it out because I have to get her a laptop for college. Okay, so birthdays is going to get $20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so birthdays right now has 100, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have $150 in birthdays. Okay, so moving on to my business bills. Shopify is going to get $10, and that will come out next month on the 2nd. So I need to put more money towards this. For now, I'm going to put the $10, and then next week's stuffing I'll add to complete the $40. So this has $5, $10, $15, $20 in it. And my shop link is below if you guys are interested in cash stuffing and budgeting tools. Okay, so taxes is only going to get $5. So now taxes has a total of 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So taxes has a total of $90. Okay. And then Cricut and Canva is going to get $5. So now we have a total of $15 in Cricut and Canva. Okay. So that is going to be it for my sinking funds. Let's move on to that self-care challenge. Let's complete it and let's count out the money to make sure we have everything in there. Okay, so self-care. It's right here. I think I'm going to take the envelope out because now I have birthday, roll the dice challenge. I think it's almost going to be complete as well. And I do have Christmas too. And my $1 and $5 diamond challenge. Okay, so you know what? Let's take this out. Let's complete it. Okay, so let's get it out the binder. And then I'll show you in a separate video where I allocate the money to. So it is intended for self-care, but honestly, for Christmas, I do buy them like a lot of self-care products. So I might put a majority of this into Christmas. And if I have to buy the laptop, I'll put a majority of this towards the birthday. So let's see what I'm going to do. And we also have back to school. So I probably will split it up between those three categories. Okay, so let's color this in. It said 1, but I needed 2 actually. So we're going to color this in. And again, guys, these challenges are reusable. So I'll bring it back later on once I'm finished one of the other challenges. But my main goal for my challenges is the Christmas one because I want to put that into the holiday binder. So I want to complete that. And I think I have, what else? A birthday one. Yeah, the birthday one. I'm going to add towards that too. So all the birthdays are coming up already. My husband's birthday, the 2 girls. So I have to get ready for that. Okay, so we're going to add $10 to this. Okay, so now we have a total of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we completed this challenge. It's $150. I think I'm going to get an envelope to put it in. And then we'll do that in a separate video. I'll just keep it in here. Okay, so I'm going to keep it in here. This is done. So I'm going to get that out the way. So I kind of wanted to label it, but I'll know from the envelope. Okay, so make sure you check out tomorrow's video. I'm going to show you guys where I allocate this money at again. Everything shop-wise, website-wise is down below in the description. And yeah, I think this is it for today. So again, we're doing self-care challenge tomorrow. We're going to unstuff it and allocate that probably to 3 separate categories. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.